Are we quitters or are we degenerate gamblers? You decide, because we got another $100 and we're gonna put it in here and try it again. All right, $5. I got a feeling. I got a feeling, so we're gonna try it. Maybe I was wrong, but we'll never know until we try, right, folks? We will never know until we try. Oh, that would have been nice. Any kind of bar hit, please. Oh, my gosh. Okay. Oh, why don't you line up on the line? Just get us some extra hits. No? Okay, I could be wrong, people. That could have been a bad decision on my part. As long as we keep getting these buckets and keep treading water. Oh boy. Oh boy, we needed that one to come down. If I'm not touching this part enough, just gotta like caress it and be like, please, please. There you go. Now we're gonna get it. Because I rubbed it nicely. A couple more spins. Oh, okay. We're down to our last spin. Let's hope this doesn't end here. I'm gonna push it like this. And it ended like this. And I made a horrible decision. Well, shows you how much I know about feeling and machines. Sometimes they say, ha, take that. And today, Pinball said, ha, take that. But I've been Evan, that was Pinball. Until next time, let's get it. Alright, I forgot I had $5 more in that machine. So as soon as I put $20 more in. And just for, you know, fun and giggles, look what happened. Of course, not when I'm filming, but hey, I'll take it. I will take it. Thank you, Pinball. Let's take it up top and see what we get. Okay, not too bad. 15. I would like 80, 100, even 40. Just not 5 or 10, please. Yes. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay. Well, perseverance. Alright. We got $450. Can't be mad at that. Oh, yeah. Well, you know what happens. We can't leave it there. Let's play a couple more times. Because now that it's on pinball, maybe it'll help us out and get us another one. I got a pinball.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
I actually just joined the party and said, what are you doing playing this game? I was like, I put $20 more in because I had $5 left in this machine. And now it's starting to pay. Let's see, let's do a couple more spins. How are we? Maybe one more spin. Alright. Alright. Well, we almost left with that $5 in. Put $200 in, we're coming out with $455. I'd say that's a win.
I agree. That's a win.
She doesn't have her mic on right now, but she says, I agree. Thumbs up. That was pinball. We're no quitters. Let's get it. We are here with a multi-7 Thunder Cash. We've had some success in this game before. We are at Harrah's. We're going to try to get some Thunder Cashes on this line. Oh, one more. All right. That came fast. Second spin. All right, let's hope for some lightning bolts or some re-triggers. Let's start this feature. I haven't played this much, but I've lately become a fan. needless to say, let's get more of those thunderbolts. Yeah, all right. So we're staying here at, not in Harrah's, but over the Cromwell. It's a nice place. Hit me in the comments if you've ever stayed there. All right, it's going to turn out to be a pretty good bonus. Still have 2 games remaining. Let's get those thunderbolts. We're up to 135. Oh, okay. Not any 5 crosses, but man, I can't complain. 190 off a $5 bet. Let's do a few more spins. Oh, that's good. Diamonds across. What is that? Uh, oh, 105. All right. We're doing pretty good. Oh, and more thunder caches. Come on. How about one of these triggers to get me this major or minor? I wouldn't be mad at that. I've never played this game before. I've played this game a few times before, but never had much luck until of late. So anytime I see this game, I try to put some money in here and see how it goes. Oh, one more, one more. Oh, what are we at? 350? I don't know. I think that's a pretty good stopping point. I don't know if I'm gonna hit this bonus again, but maybe we'll try at a different spot. Oh, that was Thunder Cash. Let's get it. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can catch up on all the games we're playing and check out some of the other videos we got going on this channel.